Hello everyone. Welcome to Phú Hào Company.
Today, we will explore one of Phú Hào Company's standout products, coconut coir mats. This is not just an ordinary mat, it is the perfect material for landscape construction projects while still being environmentally friendly. Let's begin our journey of discovery. Coir mat is made from 100% natural coconut fibers, and it is biodegradable and environmentally friendly. The product is widely used in construction, agriculture, and landscaping to prevent erosion, cover soil, and create pathways. With high durability, breathability, and good weather resistance, Coir mat is very suitable for outdoor. Coir mat brings many practical benefits in construction, agriculture, and environmental protection. Here are the main benefits. Checkmark 1. Soil protection and erosion control keeps soil stable on slopes, roadsides, and construction sites. Reduces soil washout due to heavy rain or strong winds. 2. Environmentally friendly. Made from 100% natural coconut fibers, fully biodegradable. Does not harm soil, water, or crops. 3. Breathable and good moisture. Retention allows air and water to pass through, helping soil and plant roots to breathe. Supports better plant growth under hot conditions. 4. Durable and weather-resistant. Can be used outdoors for extended periods, withstands sunlight, rain, and wind without quickly deteriorating. 5. Versatile applications used for paving paths, protecting soil foundations at construction sites, creating bases for playgrounds and parking lots. Also suitable for garden decoration or ecological projects. Installation guide for coir mat. Prepare the area, clean the installation area, remove stones, debris, and weeds. Level the ground if necessary, especially in areas with steep slopes. Lay the mat roll out the coir mat in the direction of water flow or along the slope of the terrain. If multiple pieces need to be installed, overlap the edges by 10 to 15 centimeters to prevent shifting during heavy rain or strong winds. Secure the mat. Use U-pins or bamboo draught wood stakes to secure the mat to the ground. Pin at key points. All 4 corners, along the edges, and at even intervals of 30 to 50 centimeters depending on the terrain conditions. Check and finish. Recheck the tension and adherence of the mat to the surface. Additional soil or organic fertilizer can be sprinkled on the surface of the mat, if used for planting grass. Feedback. Let's listen to the testimonials from customers who have used Phú Hào Coir mats. Container loading section. Loading process for Coir mats onto containers. Phú Hào factory quality inspection. Each Coir mat is carefully inspected for durability, size, and thickness according to the customer's order before being shipped. Container preparation. Arrange the container space efficiently to optimize area and protect the products during transportation. Mats stacking. Mats are lifted and stacked carefully in order, ensuring they are secure and stable throughout the journey. Final inspection. Ensure all products are packaged according to standards, ready to be delivered to international customers. If you are looking for a green and effective solution for your projects, try the coconut Coir mats from Phú Hào Company now. With pride, in 2024, we exported over 100 containers of Coir mats to the South Korean market, demonstrating our commitment to excellence in both product quality and customer service. This outstanding performance is a testament to our hard work and the trust our customers have in us. Contact us using the information below for consultation and to learn more about our other products. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found the information useful, don't forget to like,